Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be learning same sound, different spelling for the sound O. We're going to be using our sound lines and our dashing and dotting. Alright, let's get a piece of paper or a whiteboard or chalkboard, just like you did last week. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to. All right, so best that I can do. All right, so you need to have 3 columns this week. All right, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go ahead and number mine. 1, 2, 3. My 2 is very messy. 2. Don't like mine. All right. Column 1. I am going to put the first word down, and it is coat. We're going to dot and dash this first before we put the sound up here. All right. First, let's count the sounds. How many sounds did you hear? K, O, T. I only hear 3. So, let's see how that goes. K, O, T. All right. Let's put our O sound at the top. O. K, O, T. All right. Column number 2 is open. O, P, E, N. Open. Go ahead and dot and dash that. O, P, E, N. Open. Each letter is its own sound. So, how do we spell the O sound in open? So column 1 is an O and an A. Column 2 is just an O. O, O, O. Column 3's word is row. R, O, row. Dot and dash row. R, O, row. We'll write our O sound at the top. O. Row. All right. You guys know what's next. I'm going to write a word at the bottom, and I want you to try to figure out where it goes. The first word is first, I want you to see if you can figure out what the word is and where it goes. Okay, let's sound it out. O, home. Where does home go? Yep, column number 2, home, because that O sound is just the O spelling. Home. H, O, home. Okay. The next word is own. Own. Where does own go? Yep, column number 3. O. This time the OW is at the beginning of the word. Here it's at the end. Okay, our next word is over. Where does over go? Yep, right here with home and open. Over. Over. All right, our next word is road. Where does road go? Sorry, the glare. Road. Yep, it goes in column 1 with coat. Road. And wow, we are already to our last word. Okay, I'm going to dot and dash it. Sh. Oh. Sh. Oh. Show. Where does show go? Yep. Column number 3. Sh. Oh. Sh. Oh. Show. All right, so your board or your paper should look like this. All right, so the O sound could be spelled O-A, O, or O-W. Coat, open, row. O. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy your slides this week. I will see you again next week. Bye.